Do you ever feel like your food and product photography can be better, but you're rushing yourself, make first shoot and you don't planning your shoot? What if I told you the secret stunning photo shoot is not about camera or lights what you use, it's about planning ahead your shot. And exactly on this topic we focus today. How you can plan your shoot before, what is the plus to planning your photo shoot, and how to do this step by step. I am Monika, food and product photographer from Fotoinshadows, and on my channel you find video about food and product photography, how to work with lights, behind the scenes and more. You can book with me online consultation, 1 hour. Everything is online and we learn about photography on the topic what you choose, that you choose the time when you want to learn, and all information you find below. But now back for topic today, how to planning your photo shoot. Let's go. First question what you can have, why you should to planning your photo shoot. This is good question. This is not only about saving the time, but you can have clean vision for your photo shoot. This helps you to be very focused. Don't make mistake. You have less stress because you're planning ahead. You know what to do, how to photography this food. You choose the best props, background, lights, everything, and you avoid all mistake and you can be more creative. Because if you prepare yourself before shoot, you can work now with more creative. You can looking for more inspiration online and use this on the photo. When you have time, you done few shoot and you say, okay, now I have more time, I can be more creative, do something different what I didn't do. And second, you learn new technique in photography. That's the planning is about, all about this. Now in few steps, I will be explaining you how I prepare for my photo shoot. First steps is like, I think about my vision for this photo shoot. What I want to show. This is maybe I do like a muscle photography and I think about, okay, which type of the photo I want to do. Maybe I prepare simple shoot only the muscle. Another things is like I prepare something, maybe food, maybe soup, or maybe simple shoot on the table with the napkins, muscle only with butter and garlic done, and that's it. And that's cozy atmosphere. This is like my vision, clean vision for the shoot. Second, I focus on this, what is my hero? Because when you have too much stuff on your table, you will be don't know what is your hero. But if you know what is your hero, like on this photo exactly what you see now, my hero was muscle. I bought this muscle and I think, okay, how I show this muscle on the photo good? How is the best choice, the lights, everything, to show this product good? Because I focus on this product, around is only props and few things, but the hero is muscle. Step number 3, I plan my props, my composition. I think about how I want to show this muscle. First, simple. I chose simple something on flat, but I don't must to do only one shoot and that's it. I can do flat lay photography. I can do 45 degrees. If I change the plat, like you see here, I changed plat. One was ring, another was long. I use the same different angle, like was flat lay and was 45 degrees. It's two photos completely different. And I planned this before and I chose the props and background for this shoot. And this speed my photo shoot and I have two different type of the photo. For my clients, for myself, or use somewhere else. Another step is the lighting, what I chose. I know I can do a lot of different light, natural light, artificial light, flash light, LED lights. That is the option, but I think about how show this muscle so beautiful with natural lights. Beautiful lights, and it's maybe from the side the lights or backlights. Backlights will be beautiful, show the texture the muscle, the color the muscle, the shining, like you see straight away the photo and you know I use good lights for this photo shoot, backlights. Another things, you can use the same artificial light. You don't think about, okay, I don't have enough the lights, I can work with artificial lights and it's amazing. I can use artificial light for this shoot. Don't worry about natural lights. Artificial is good the same and can have the same effect, or make so completely opposite lights, use only artificial lights but hard lights, like on this photo, and it's so beautiful shoot. What I don't must to worry about natural lights will be strong or not, but with artificial light, easy for me was do this shoot. Step number 5 is prepare your food. Think about you can do different food. You can do ice cream. Do the cube before the shape, put in the fridge, and believe me, straight away you remove, you set up and you shoot. Because ice cream is not easy to work with this, I know. I don't like photography the ice cream, really. I avoid that project if I have. Another things, use the fresh herbs, yeah, like mint, basil, different herbs, lemon, or that things. Always if you use fresh, it looks very good on photo, and photo looks more fresh. The same when you have, like, I have the mussel, if I put the water on the top little on the mussel, will be more shiny. Photography the maybe meat, you photography the salad. If you use the dressing for the salad, or you use little oil on the meat and brush the meat, the photo looks more fresh. Appetizer is perfect for the shoot, and people will be want to buy this product. That is the things, small things, but change completely your photo. The step number 6 is create your shoot list. What I do, I have the paper, always scroll what I want to shoot, how I want to show this. Believe me, I don't like to use the computer, make everything topic in the computer. I use the paper and the pen. For me is the best, because first I remember what I put there. I see straight away on the photo shoot, take the paper and see, okay, I wanted do the shoot flat lay, I wanted backlight to use, I set up the product, how I want, how I prepare before. For beginning, it will be maybe a little hard to planning ahead and scroll everything, how you want to show the food on the photo. But believe me, if you practice more and more, it will be more easy for you, speed your photography, and this is like 50% your job when you have like photo shoot. Step number 7 is very important for me. Before I shoot everything, before I cooking my food, I testing my lights, I testing my background props, what I choose for photography, and I check everything work is match, is good for exactly the food what I will be photography. And second things what I do, I prepare my stuff one day before I shoot. I can morning wake up, straight away I can work. When I work with natural lights, speed my job faster. Natural lights is not like now, special now, so long. 3 o'clock I cannot shoot, really, I cannot shoot. I must start early morning if I want to work with natural lights. But if I prepare everything before, I have extra props, extra background, or some napkins or glass for shoot, I can always make extra 2-3 shoot with different props, with different things I change on photos. Speed my photography, make more shoot, I am more creative, I am less stressed. That's everything is about planning the photo shoot. I have few tips, extra tips for you, what speed your photography. When you planning your shoot, do mood board to use like Instagram, you can use Pinterest. Pinterest is the best. For me is one the best place when I looking for inspiration for my shoot. This is not only photo, it's video, the same topic, lot of ideas about photography. You can really prepare quickly your mood board with ideas what you want to shoot. Another thing is prepare your props one day before your shoot, everything you do. And prepare extra props, extra balls, maybe something stuff, what you think, maybe if you have free time or you have more time, you can be more creative and do extra few shots. And always have the backup for the lights. If you work with natural lights and your lights change and you cannot work anymore with natural lights, have backup like artificial light. You will know how to straight away set up the artificial lights, how to use these lights and work all the time. The same if something happen with your artificial light, you have backup another light, and not only one lamp but second, and you can still work and do your job. This is 3 tips what I give myself when I photography, when I plan my shoot. Now it's time for you to start planning your photo shoot with the tips what I told you, what I use and always work for me, and let me know in the comment that's work for you or not, and how this change your photography. But if you want to do always a good photo in 5 steps, check this video.